Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update or change your Microsoft Teams account profile picture. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're on Microsoft Teams app like me and you wish to change your account, you will need first to go and log into your account using a web browser. This is because if I try to use this app and go to profile icon here and now head to my name here, which contains my profile, and click on this edit icon, I'm told to update your name, go to Microsoft account. So this is what you need to update your name. From here, just tap on manage account and you'll be taken to a web browser where you will log into your account before you are able to change your profile picture. Once you are in your account on the web browser, now go to your info option here, click on it, and this will open more details about your account. And here we can now change our profile picture by clicking on change photo here. You'll be able to change it by going to change, and if I click on this, you'll be taken to your computer where you can choose your preferred image or profile picture of your choice. Now here you can see I have so many of these images that are available. Just click on any that you wish. If I want this, I'll just click on it and then click on open, and this will upload the image straight away here. And now you'll see we have a save option active. Click on it to save your current profile image. Before you save, you can also change the size of your profile picture by zooming in or out. So that's how you can change your Microsoft Teams account profile picture. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.